What's up, project people? If you haven't been here before, my name's Ruth with Olive Gray Avenue, and we do DIY and fun stuff around here. One of my biggest goals for 2022, I almost said 2021, is to get this garage in shape. It's a disaster. We've done little things here and there, and it still gets wild. It goes out of control with almost every single project. I know some of that's on me, not all of it though. Not all of it, and I'm gonna blame Steve for his part too, because he doesn't like putting tools back. So we're gonna make this easy for me and him to have a system, to have everything in its place. We both know where it goes and everything like that. So while I would love for this to be a video starting that project, it's not. This video is about all the things I need to do first. I'm gonna be starting here. We're gonna clean up the garage from all the nonsense. What else are we doing? Okay, we have like 7 or 8 projects we have to do before even starting on the garage. So it's like a bunch of things that seem unrelated, but they're not, because one of the things that we're doing in here is refinishing the floors. I can't wait to get there, but we're not there yet. There's so much stuff. I can't like move all this stuff to do that. So we got to do some projects. First up, we are gonna be doing a furniture flip. My neighbor was selling her kids a little makeup vanity for 20 bucks. So I picked it up off of her, and we're gonna be refinishing that. Just one of the many random things I do. So that's what this video is about. But make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because you're gonna wanna see all the stuff related to this garage, all the projects. It's gonna be fun, okay? I know that most of you are not subscribed, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll be friends. Also, if you have not checked out our Instagram, we are doing stuff daily over there, a lot of fun stuff, kind of day in the life, everything. So go give us a follow over there. It's Olive Gray Avenue. We'll be friends forever on all these platforms, okay? All right, so let's start on this furniture flip. This cute little thing is hanging out here in the garage, so we gotta do something with it. So we are going to be flipping this and seeing how much money we can make off of this on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, this is, I believe, 60 grit. Let's see if this comes off. Steve comes out here and sees me standing without a mask. You're gonna hear it. So, I don't think this is real wood. Looks like MDF. I'm so sure this is gonna be real wood. Bad news is that this is not real wood. This is particle board. You can tell because this is like brown. It starts kind of being fluffy is the best way for me to describe it. So I'm switching to 220 grit to just rough things up, make them smooth, and not get everything off, because we're gonna have to paint now. So this corner has a bit of an issue. It's kind of falling apart right here. So I'm gonna shove some wood glue in there and clamp it, and hopefully that'll get it back to good as new. When I'm refinishing something like this, I look for the easiest way to do it. So I took off these hinges on the side so it would give me the best access to just paint everything really smoothly and not have to get in any cracks or crevices. This was a test, but I love how it turned out. This is the original. See this weird little hump here? I didn't really like it. It doesn't look intentional. It looks just misshapen. So all I did was literally hit it with a sander for like 2 seconds. And look, now it's flat. Oh, I love it. Maybe I'll smooth out the top of this. Not these, because these line up with the sides, but maybe just this. I don't know what type of crappy material this is made out of, but when I was sanding it, there's this like hole. So I'm gonna get my wood filler, which is on its last leg. I really need some new wood filler, and I'm gonna just fill this hole, and I'll come back later and sand it. Hopefully it'll just hide the hole. I don't know. I have these drawers. I think all I'm going to do to them is clean the inside. Hopefully it'll be clean enough, and then maybe prep for paint just in this little inset here. I just wiped the drawers down with a baby wipe and then sanded the inside, and actually decided to paint the whole drawer. I taped off where I did not want to paint, and really I decided on where I did and didn't want to paint based on just the ease of painting it or not. Inside these little cubbies, I thought it would be easier just to leave them silver, and they didn't look too bad, so it was a nice silver accent. And I pretty much refused to paint next to a mirror or glass, so I left the inside of these silver and painted the outside white. All right, we are gonna see if we can find some knobs for this vanity, because I don't like the knobs it has. So let's see what they have. Look at all of these, they're so pretty. Like this.
And this doorknob.
Yeah, that one's nice.
These two.
This one's cute.
Which one do you think is pretty?
I like this one.
Well, you're going to buy it.
Ooh,
Mommy.
like granite, terrazzo.
Look, this is cool. You did go.
Should have seen this coming. Anytime go to Hobby Lobby, we don't walk out with just the one thing. We got some Valentine's stamps, a rainbow piece of paper because my 5-year-old wanted it, and we did find some knobs. I was going in there like, I don't know. Look how cute these are. They're just like really pretty and like feminine. I just thought these would be perfect, and they were $4.99, but they were 50% off, basically buy one get one free. I think these will look cute. I've made a rash decision. We didn't really start with a plan, so I was just gonna do the top of this, make it super easy. But now looking at it, like I want to do like the dipped feet. But I'm gonna leave the feet silver and then paint the rest if I can. So more sanding. So to make sure all of these dips are the same height, so I take the tape measure, decided the height I want it. I'm gonna do 8 inches. So I want it to stop at 8 inches, so I put the tape below it. And I put this tape measure on the ground, then on the leg, tear it off. There you go. I gave everything 2 coats of paint and sealed with a polyacrylic. All in all, the only thing I spent any money on were the knobs, which were $5 for both, and the vanity was $20 itself. So this whole flip cost me $25, and I'm hoping to sell it for about $100. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to see what we have coming up next. You don't want to miss it. See you later.